In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum viewers and dear nature lovers. Very warm welcome to you in Ashraf Botanical Garden. Viewers, right now I am showing you a very beautiful plant. Viewers, I want to share some knowledge regarding this beautiful garden plant. This is called Jatropha. Viewers, this belongs to family Euphorbiaceae or spurge family and the subfamily Crotonoideae. Viewers, its tribe is Jatrophae and the genus Jatropha. Where this beautiful garden plant is propagated through cutting, stem cutting, and it is done in the colder months like December, January and February. Mostly done in the month of the February. Where this beautiful plant, this lovely plant contains very beautiful bunches of red flowers, you can see, and these flowers attract a lot of insects. You can see, even now you can see honeybees, small and big honeybees, butterflies and other insects are attracted by its flowers. This is a tough plant, it requires low maintenance and profusely flowers throughout the summer season and late summer. Here you can see the beautiful plants, beautiful variety of the plant, and you can see the large honeybee here sucking the nectar from the flower. There are 170 species in this family of Jatropha. They are used for multi purposes. Like some of the varieties can be used for the preparation of the baskets. And one of the variety which is called the Jatropha curcus. Basically it is used as a source for biodiesel. Its seeds are used for biodiesels, and these seeds contain very toxic materials like phorbol, which is a carcinogenic compound, and other toxic materials like lectin dimer and toxalbumin, which are highly lethal, highly toxic for humans and animals. It is said that even the 3 to 4 seeds, if ingested untreated, may be fatal for human beings. The seeds of Jatropha curcus is a very good source of biodiesel. Where these seeds, an acre of the plants cultivated may yield up to 202 gallons of the biodiesel. And after the extraction of the oil from the seeds, the cake remained may be used for fish feed and for animal feed after detoxification. They are also a very good source of fertilizer. I want to catch a glimpse of a tiger butterfly sitting on top of one of the Jatropha flowers.
The time is 8 o'clock a.m.
It's still not in focus. It's very beautiful. Yes, you can see on top of the shoot, top of the branch, there's a beautiful tiger butterfly sitting and sucking the nectar of this highly nectar rich flowers. So viewers, you can see that these beautiful butterflies, honeybees and other insects which are attracted by the nectar of these flowers. Right now this butterfly, this tiger butterfly is basking in the sun and enjoying the nectar. I just want to give you a full glimpse, full view of its wings when it opens it. So viewers, you can see a lot of honeybees. Here this is one variety and you can see the leaves, they are claw shaped. They are basically bifurcated into three parts and flowers are red in bunches. I want to show you another variety. Where this is the second variety, you can see the flowers are same red color in bunches, but their leaves are different in style. They are not bifurcated into three parts, and I want to show you that their leaves have two color. You can see that downside or bottom of the leaves are brown colored, and upper side is green color. So this plant is looking very beautiful and presenting a stunning look. This is also attracting a lot of honeybees and insects. Here I want to show you this plant. It is growing from the seed. Yes, this plant can be propagated through stem cutting and also from the seeds. Viewers, I'm sure you have enjoyed this lovely video of this amazing plant, which is a must plant for your gardens. Take care of flora and fauna. Take care of yourself and your loved ones. Allah Almighty keep you happy and healthy ever.